Hello dear students, welcome to Practical Pharmacology. In this video, we will learn about liquid oral dosage forms. Liquid dosage form, aqueous solution, suspension and emulsion. These are some examples of liquid oral dosage form, that is the suspension, and here one it is the syrup. Few more examples. This one is syrup, that is suspension. Oral drops, pediatric use. It filled in the dropper bottles. It is useful to give accurate dose in infant and children. Aqueous solutions and or suspensions, for example multivitamin drops, iron drops, etc.